Hi all, welcome to Vision Board community. So today I'm just come with another guest, Rashid. So Rashid also getting like a two offer letter and even the 10 years of experience. Obviously, we also know everyone kind of a struggle. Rashid also want to share some kind of motivation or inspirational story. So that's why I just inviting to Rashid here. Rashid, are you there?
Hi Devi.
Yeah, I'm always grateful to you. You can just at least come to here, at least want to share your experience. Maybe this words will be motivate others in the coming years and all. So eagerly waiting for your story.
Yeah, sure, Devi. First of all, thanks for the opportunity.
Okay.
Thanks for the mentorship. I really admire your work. The vision boards visibility is increased multiple percent nowadays. So, really doing great work, Devi. Thanks for that.
Thanks,
Uh,
Rashid, for your words also. These words are motivating us to like in teaching and helping others.
that's it. Yeah. Yeah. Just a bit of introduction about me. So, I'm holding 11 plus years within different domains. Uh, so, uh, it's been means working with different domains will give you different skills, but to update yourself to the current requirement, right? So that's why I chosen data engineering, and uh, gladly found your ads over Facebook or Instagram, I
Okay.
guess, and that's how I connected with you. And I'm very glad that I did join Vision Board community. It given good exposure about the data engineering, specifically in Azure. So. It was very overwhelming at the first, but once I started studying, understanding the concepts, and then practicing ourselves, that is the part where I believe, okay, this is where we need to be. So from then I adjusted my mind, uh, uh, gone through a lot of interviews, mock interviews which you did, podcast you did, specifically this person from your previous batches, Purushottam. This
Uh-huh.
guy really did something wonderful, and I inspired with his words, and I also started preparing.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah. I
yeah,
think
so
50 lakh actually. He cracked
that's
three
right.
offer letter.
That's right. That's right. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so I took a bit, means we finished the courses in 3 months, 3 months plus, and the interview preparation also.
Okay.
But I took some time because I'm not from SQL or Python background, so I have to prepare myself, spending time, and then finally this November I got offer. One
Mm.
offer is from a service-based company, and another is from a product-based company. So I finally decided to go with the product-based company, which is near my location.
Okay.
So yeah, that's about me.
That
And
means transition is possible. So from the Rashid story, we can obviously understand transition, right? It will be taken some time, obviously, but
that's right.
consistency, dedication, that is
Consistency is
one thing.
important. Yes,
Yes,
that's right.
because we know when I talk like in Pavita team also talk with Rashid, we already build that resume. I think that is the one thing, Rashid. I think some
Right.
people are scheduling the interview, but some dramas will be ongoing. They will be rescheduling. This is also happen. But
Yes, yes,
finally,
of
you got
course.
an offer.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yes.
to add that, I have attended almost 20 plus interviews, if I'm not
Okay.
wrong.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and only three gone to the positive feedback. So the first one was a one of the top four,
Okay.
big four, I mean.
Okay.
But I couldn't push towards offer because of some relocation constraints.
Oh.
I missed that. That's fine. Another offer which I got next is also a big service-based company, and
Uh-huh.
then the product-based company. So we don't know what we are going to have. So the only thing we need to do is consistent effort, without thinking much about the future. So definitely, if you do the hard work, you will get it. You will reap the bonus and everything. So you just need to continue. That's it.
We need to be prepared, and whatever, like, and whatever we are getting, just grateful, just attentive, because the 20 interviews when you're attending, I think some of the 17 interviews kind of a failure kind of thing, right?
Yes,
But
yes,
you attended same thing. I was attending like an interviews, lot of rejections, but at a point of time we are getting like a lot of offers once you
that's it.
crack one or two offer, right?
Yeah, the
Yeah.
confidence it gives, right? Once you
Yes.
started clearing interviews and the people are respecting you for what the tech you are having, so those things will boost your confidence level, and also it will push you to get more offer letters. So I'm still trying to get a better company. It's still in progress. I'm still having 1 more month, Devi.
Yeah,
So
yeah, definitely you will be getting actually, Rashid. Because in the coming months also when you attend, because currently you already have a confidence. You
right.
already know the things, how, what are the questions they'll be asking. Only thing
Yes,
you want to attend the companies. Simply just go through it without any kind of thinking we will be fail or this kind of mentality is not needed. Go and attend. That's it.
that's right.
Then coming into like an even like an you mentioned right in some time previously kind of a stuck or somewhere. So
Yeah.
like an so what do you think about when you're seeing art in the Instagram from the vision board? So what is the main thing, Rashid, when you think about I just want to kind of a transition?
Um, to be honest, Devi, I've been started thinking about the next step in my career 2 years ago. Okay,
Okay.
so I started checking with my colleagues who have did this transition. Lot of persons saying cloud is the happening thing now. So start with any hyperscaler like AWS or GCP or Azure. The two happening thing at that time was DevOps and AI. So I
Mm-hmm.
was so confused. So just looking, searching for correct mentorship, where to go, which one we need to avoid. So at that time only, I got to know about vision board and the data engineering. So
Mm-hmm.
data engineering is a bit new for me. The only common thing was the cloud, which
Oh.
yeah, Azure. So I did some courses in AWS as well, so
Uh-huh.
that keep me pushing to understand what is about Azure and its data services. So
Mm-hmm.
that's when I started digging and had you as my mentor. So that helped me to dig deeper in data engineering. It was very interesting, first of all.
Okay.
So yeah, I started learning different things, the terms in the data engineering, the tools around the world, what they are using.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
You are
from the
starting from the scratch, right? You are learning
scratch.
more.
Yes.
And I think you invested some more time extra because like a different domain to this one. Obviously, we need to invest some more time to us to learning a new things.
Yeah, and having full-time job, specifically, I worked in North America timings, the night
Mm-hmm.
shifts, right?
Oh,
I have to spend some 3 to 4 hours in my sleeping time,
oh.
and then yeah, this is how I prepared.
Uh-huh.
Starting with your classes, most of the classes I haven't attended because of my work.
Mm-hmm.
I will watch in the daytime and then
Okay.
start preparing myself, starting
Mm-hmm.
with the ADF, then Databricks, then SQL, Python, and slowly only, Devi. Basically, naturally, I'm an average student only, means from school days and college days. So I even don't know whether I had this within me, yeah,
Okay.
to cope up with the new technology, right?
Uh-huh.
And
But
do
you
the
achieved it. But you achieved. That is very good, right?
that's
Now,
right.
when you think about, you think about, okay, I can able to do. So these kind of
Yeah.
respect, right? People will be when you join next company. Also, people will ask you, okay, how Rashid you can able to do. So this is the one, because everyone, everything will be possible, but discipline and consistency, and we need support always. You can understand, right? So
Yeah,
sometimes
that's
setback. This is the one of the procrastination. So that
right.
is playing a vital role. Like, I mean, one more question I would ask you, Rashid. For
Yes.
example, when you joined a vision board community,
Hmm.
so maybe you think about one of the quality you can. What you think about, like, and that will help you to landing into the job. Anything we want to improve from our end also.
I don't think specifically, Devi, because I've been into different courses, as I said. So,
Mhm.
what I see in Vision Board is continuous touch with you or your Vision Board members like Pavitra, earlier.
Rahima, right? Rahima.
Rahima, right? Rahima was also there. She keeps on checking, hey guys, what you're doing, how's it going, how was the interview preparations, and also so the consistent checking with the candidates. So it helps me to pull right back to the line where we need to. Let's not forget that we are doing the transition. Sometime in the period of preparation we will lose the confidence,
Ah, ah,
and it will create lot of questions within you. Hey, why you are doing this? Let's put this aside and enjoy some time.
yes.
So yeah, so your consistent following up with candidates, it helped to me. Basically, it helped me to get right back to the track and continue pushing. So this is which vision board is very doing very awesome job.
Mhm. I think when I was also transitioned, Rashid, no one was there. I also faced lot of struggle.
Yeah.
Sometime I was cried actually when I was rejected in the interviews. So I
Mm.
think like that time at least one person, that time my husband was helped me a lot to come back to the track, and my parents also. So I think someone need these kind of support. Obviously, they can able to achieve this thing.
Right.
So that is the reason I will ask to every member in the vision board, if any kind of issue you're facing, just connect with us. We will be there for you. We know
That's
the real struggle,
yeah.
the
That
facing.
is that's a tremendous job there, Devi. I should thank you guys for that. Otherwise, I might also been just thinking only without taking any actions.
Not
But
only that, I think everyone is kind of a same category. But
yeah,
if you have a situation, if someone will help you, right, we will
yeah,
become and we can show our full potential. So
right,
that is the reason it will, you can, the cracking a two offer letter is not an easy task, even coming from a different role. So you
right.
also put lot of effort. So when every time when we are checking with the team, okay, Rashid is preparing. Definitely as a team, we need to get an offer letter from Rashid. So this is the energy we need to deliver.
Yeah, and also whenever I'm getting messages from the community, right? Whenever I'm posting that interview questions, the offer thing, also they pinging me and asking, "Hey, how you prepared? What are the struggles?" I keep on saying this only. We cannot be intelligent person in a single day. So
Mhm.
it's a consistent effort. You may feel that you're not going to do, no, you will not get the whatever you want, but the consistent push and the hands-on with the technical stuffs, that really will get you a good position. So
Exactly.
yeah, I've been. It's not like uh, it's not like advice or something. I'm just helping them what I did. That's
Mm.
it.
Yeah, yeah, that is a good job actually. Rashid, whatever you learn, right, you are putting in the group, others also reacting. So that way they can understand, okay, this is the question they are getting. So that is the only reason, like, and we people will be more interactive. When we sharing our mind also, we need to show them, okay, we are getting an offer. So otherwise, if we keep silent, we'll not get an offer these days.
That's right. That's right.
Mm. Yeah.
You need
Um,
to you need to uh, you need to show yourself that you have these skills. I have
yes.
did these projects.
Mm,
So then only people will notice you. Okay, this guy is having something different.
mm, mm.
So definitely we need to do that part as well.
Yeah, yeah. And one more thing, Rashid, like when people are struggling, I know lot of people who are struggling in these kind of state, same as me. And that time in the previous, I'm just telling about in the previous year. So, what suggestion you can give to them, kind of an motivation, or some small suggestion you can give to them in this through this podcast?
Okay. I'm just saying what I learned from this journey, Devi. Okay, so as I said, no one becomes skilled overnight, right? The consistency is more important than perfection. So
Yes.
just start with something small today and do that consistently for a month. So you will know in these 30 days you have learned a complete tech stack that you
Mm,
can add in your resume, right? And also rejection are part of the growth only, so we don't need to fear about rejections. Okay, it's a stepping stone for your next success, right?
mm, mm,
And also we need to do the hands-on with everything what we are having, like SQL or data, PySpark
mm,
or Python.
mm,
Hands-on is the biggest thing which helped me gain confidence.
mm,
And out of all, we need to believe in ourselves, even when others keep saying you cannot do, it's a difficult thing. We even uh, I had one colleague saying, hey, it's very tough, don't do that. If you,
Oh,
yeah,
really? Oh, he
yeah.
demotivates you actually, but
So
now you
now,
show.
yeah, it's a kind of demotivation, but I understand he's telling his perspective.
Yes,
Just sitting on a job comfortable without trying anything is also, he feels that safe, but I'm thinking in a long term perspective, so I'm preparing for that.
yes.
So yeah, so these things we need to neglect and we need to follow our steps that
Mm,
I
mm.
have done.
Yeah,
uh,
yeah.
yeah,
I'm
and also
dedicating this podcast to that kind of colleague actually. Okay, because you want to show them you can able to do. Because
that's
these days, companies some colleagues are good, but some colleagues will demotivating us, right?
yeah,
Even the family members, family members or whatever they are, but we want to show you someone will demotivate. They don't want to. We want to see our growth actually.
right,
Oh,
right,
when you jumping, right? When you're seeing this much of package, they will be okay. They'll later stage they'll be come back. How Rashid, can you please tell me some tips also? How you successful, right?
yeah,
We want to. That's why
right,
I'm
right,
asking you, Rashid. You will be getting lot of offer letter. Just
yeah,
attend more companies. Aggressive hiring cycle will be coming on the month of January and February. If you
sure,
need any kind of help, you can call me or Pavitra or Vimal or Atal, whoever available. Just connect with me. I will be there actually. So that way we can able to transform our life like a
yeah,
better opportunities.
yeah, all
Okay.
right, yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
sure, Devi.
Anyway, thanks, Rashid. I think some of your time you allocated to me. Thank you so much. Normally, people are not given a grateful, but at least we are helping them. But not you are just given this kind of podcast also. I'm always grateful. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, Devi. I hope this will at least motivate some persons who
Yeah,
is
yeah,
also
obviously.
trying to change their future.
Yeah,
So,
obviously it will be more because someone is transition. They were telling there is some value.
right,
So obviously your words will motivate others, and we are expecting more good news from your end.
sure, sure, Devi, sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Rashid.
Thanks, Devi. Thanks for your efforts. Thanks for
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right.